How to edit your picture like a pro. This is video tutorial number 1. Good day everyone. Welcome to Wentar's Abode. Together we laugh, live, love, and learn. For today's video, I will be teaching you on how to edit your picture like a professional editor by just using the application called Picsart. So let's get started. So we have to open the application and you have to click the white cross at the bottom portion inside the purplish circle there at the bottom portion of the screen. And then after that, you have to choose the picture that you want to edit. So we just have to wait. Okay, there you go. We have to click crop and then free crop, and then you have to click the person like icon and then person there. So if you can notice, there will be a red highlight focusing on the entire person, but you have still choices like face and so on. But for this edit, we have to choose the entire person there. So after that, after removing the background, we can add some effects. So we have here undead, but I think it's not working as of the moment. So let's choose another one, another effect, and you can drag left to right to adjust the opacity of your effect. And we can try another one, colorful effect. Okay, there you go. So again, we have to adjust the opacity of your effects. You have just to drag from left to right. After that, you can also add beauty to your picture. So for this picture, I want to have a blue-like color of the hair. So you have to click hair and then you can choose different colors of the hair. So to add the amount, you just have to drag from left to right. It depends upon your preference. So there you go. It looks like a natural blue highlight something. After that, if you are now satisfied, you can click fit and you will have now your cropped picture that will serve as your sticker, and there are some unwanted details. So just have to click the eraser, and you should be very careful in deleting the details because there might be some detail that you need that will be included in the deletion. And adjust, adjust, and adjust. So it greatly depends upon your preference or your mood. So for the background of the picture, since the picture is wearing a Chinese type kind of suit, so let's try to add some temple background. Just have to search different backgrounds or stickers on it. So there you go, I choose this Hindu temple to give some Asian theme to our picture. Again, this temple comes from the sticker icon, and then you search temple background. So adjust and adjust. All you have to do is to adjust. It greatly depends upon your mood. So there, and then click blend. So for this, you have to click multiply and zoom. You have to click the eraser and adjust the size of the eraser and erase the part of the temple that covers your face. So because we want our temple to be your background, so you have to erase the portion of it that covers your face, because temporarily your face or your picture will serve as our foreground, because that is our main picture, that will be our object. So erase, again, be careful in erasing. So there are choices on the sizes of the eraser that you want. So careful because there might be some portion that will be deleted, or it will look like a an awkward picture. So we just have to remain natural. Should look our picture as natural as it could be. So there you go. After that, we have to add some effects. So let's click sticker once again and then search. So I've decided to search for another Asian theme sticker. So let's have cherry blossom. Let's add some Japanese effect to our picture. Because our theme is Asian, so we have Indian, Chinese, and Japanese theme. So let's choose a more natural kind of cherry blossom that will serve as our frame, our foreground, for instance. So adjust. And since our main picture was, covered with some flowers and sticks of the blossom, so we just have to erase it. But if you don't want to erase it, it's okay. But for me, I don't want my face to be covered by the flowers, so I have to erase it. So there. After that, let's add another sticker. If you are now satisfied, you can go on, but I am not satisfied, so let's add another sticker. This is just a matter of experimentation. Again, it greatly depends upon your interest, your mood, as well as your preference. So I would like to add another sticker like this. Okay, so another cherry blossom with a bird on it. So adjust and adjust so that it will look natural. You can adjust the opacity by just dragging from left to right or from right to left. Depends upon you. There you go. So okay, that's it. And by the way, after putting some stickers, don't forget to click the check portion located at the top right portion of the screen. Let's add some stickers or additional stickers for our picture. So I am looking for something that will add some drama on it. So I have birds, but I don't think they are helpful with our picture. It looks awkward. I don't know if you can agree with me. It's kind of awkward, so I think we have to adjust it some more. Again and again, let me remind you, the picture greatly depends upon your interest. So if you don't feel like putting it, or if you don't feel like putting the sticker, so remove it. If you feel like putting some additional details, then go. It depends upon your creativity and your imagination. So let's add some more. This time, let's add a duck, because if you can notice, there are waters on the background, so I guess it is better to add something on it. So for instance, this duck looks perfect on the water. And by the way, you can copy and paste the stickers like this. So all you have to do is to click the duplicate icon, there, but again, it will not look like a natural setting, so it's better to remove the other dock. Okay, so I am now satisfied with the outcome. So let's save our output. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to my future videos. Thank you very much.